What is computer vision, applications, benefits and how to learn it? In today's technologically advanced world, computer vision is revolutionizing various industries and changing the way we interact with machines. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables machines to interpret and understand the visual world. It allows computers to analyze and process visual data, such as images and videos, in a way that mimics human vision. Applications of computer vision. Some of the key applications include object recognition. Computer vision algorithms can identify and classify objects within images or videos, enabling machines to understand their surroundings. Medical imaging. Computer vision is used in medical diagnostics, such as analyzing X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases and abnormalities. Robotics. Robots utilize computer vision to perceive their environment, manipulate objects, and interact with humans. Benefits of computer vision. Benefits of computer vision. Some of the key advantages include efficiency. Computer vision enables automation of repetitive tasks, saving time and resources for organizations. Improved decision-making. With real-time analysis of visual data, businesses can make informed decisions quickly. Safety. Self-driving cars and surveillance systems equipped with computer vision technology enhance safety on roads and in public spaces. How to learn computer vision. Some recommended steps to start your journey in computer vision include: understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of image processing, machine learning, and neural networks. Enroll in online courses. Platforms like iCertGlobal offer courses on computer vision taught by experts in the field. Continuous learning. Computer vision is a rapidly evolving field, so staying curious and continuously updating your skills is essential. Conclusion. In conclusion, computer vision is a transformative technology with diverse applications and significant benefits. By understanding its principles, exploring its applications, and investing in learning opportunities, individuals can unlock the potential of computer vision and contribute to innovation in various industries.